BabyBus.
Hi! Click here to subscribe.
The earthquakes are so scary.
Do you know what to do when there's an earthquake?
I'll hide under the blanket.
If we are ready for it, there'll be nothing to be scared of.
Be ready for the earthquake.
Be ready for the earthquake.
Be ready for the earthquake.
Are you ready? Let's go!
Ready for the earthquake. You'll be safe when it comes. Large bookshelves and tall wardrobes. Hey, nails and hammers, come and help us, please. Bang, bang, thump, thump, fix them to the wall.
Ready for the earthquake. You'll be safe when it comes. Large bookshelves and tall wardrobes. Heavy things and fragile vases. One by one, let's arrange them all.
Be ready for the
Earthquake! Ready for the earthquake. You'll be safe when it comes. Thick-soled slippers, they protect your feet. Thick-soled slippers, put them on every day. Thump, 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 thump for your safety.
Ready for the earthquake. You'll be safe when it comes. Under the big table, it is safe.
Hold on to the legs of it when the ground is shaking.
Shaking, when it's shaking, cover your head. Be ready for the earthquake.
Be ready for the earthquake.
Be ready for the earthquake.
Ready for the earthquake. You'll be safe when it comes. Beep, beep, we have an emergency bag. Put water and food and a whistle in the bag. All ready? Okay, we are not afraid.
We're all ready now.
One more thing. We should know where the shelters are around here.
I know. Schools and parks.
Haha, you did great in the earthquake safety drill.
Let's play hide and seek. Okay. I'm really good at it. I'm better. You'll never find me. Never find, never find.
Now go hide, everyone. I'll find you.
Let's all play hide and seek. Where can I hide? There's a space behind the door. Yeah, I will hide here.
No, 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 stay away from there. If the door opens, ow, you will get hurt.
Let's all play hide and seek. Where can I hide? There are long curtains. Yeah, I will hide here.
No, 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 stay away from there. If it winds around you, ow, you will get hurt.
Let's all play hide and seek. Where can I hide? Here's a large table. Yeah, I will hide here.
No, 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 edges are pointy. If you are not careful, ow, you will get hurt.
Let's all play hide and seek. La 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 la. Hide in safe places. You will never get hurt.
Ha! There you are.
happening?
It's an earthquake! Mimi, Timmy, come here! Do you know what to do during an earthquake?
Yes!
Big earthquake, shaking, shaking, big earthquake, big earthquake. Dangerous, shaking, shaking, dangerous, dangerous. Stay calm, please, hide somewhere and crouch down. Hold on tight with your hands. You must do this to be safe, to be safe. Big earthquake, shaking, shaking, big earthquake, big earthquake. Dangerous, shaking, shaking, dangerous, dangerous. Stay calm, please, careful of windows and shelves. Please stay in a safe place. You must do this to be safe, to be safe. Big earthquake, shaking, shaking, big earthquake, big earthquake. Dangerous, shaking, shaking, dangerous, dangerous. Stay calm, please, wait until the shaking stops. Do not use the elevator. You must do this to be safe, to be safe. Big earthquake, shaking, shaking, big earthquake, big earthquake. Dangerous, shaking, shaking, dangerous, dangerous. Stay calm, please, you don't need to cry and shout. Just wait for help to come. You must do this to be safe, to be safe. Please be safe. Please be safe.
Is everyone okay?
Thank you, firefighter elephant.
You're welcome. You did a great job today.
When there's an earthquake, we need to protect ourselves.
You're right.
We're firefighters! Let's put out a fire!
Yeah, fire truck, move out! Ouch!
What's this? It's a fire alarm! The building is on fire!
Oh, it's a fire! What should I do?
Don't be afraid. Try to stay calm. First of all, call the firefighters. And look around, where is a safe way out?
Over there!
Let's go out now.
Oh, it's a fire! What should I do? Don't be afraid. Try to stay calm. It is not safe in the closet. And look around, where is a safe way out? Over there! Let's go out now.
Oh, it's a fire! What should I do?
Don't be afraid. Try to stay calm. Use a wet towel. Cover your mouth. And look around. Where is a safe way out?
Over there!
Let's go out now. Oh, it's a fire. What should I do? Don't be afraid. Try to stay calm. Elevators are never safe. And look around. Where is a safe way out? Over there. Let's go out now. The fire is out.
Is everybody okay?
Yes.
You did a good job.
When there's a fire, please don't be afraid. It's not safe to hide in a closet. Never use the elevator.
And remember to find a safe exit to get out.
Okay.
Wow, all of you are right.
Wow, it's so big. What's that, Mom?
It's an elevator.
Elevator? I want to take the elevator.
Okay.
Yeah!
Go with Mommy.
Yes!
Ding, door is open. Let's take the elevator. Now it's time to hold our hands. Watch your step. Walk in slowly. Let's go up to the next floor now.
Ding, door is open. Let's take the elevator. Now it's time to hold our hands.
Please don't jump and stand straight, please.
Let's go up to the next floor now. 1, 2, 3.
Timmy, don't push the floor buttons at random.
Ding, door is open. Let's take the elevator. Now it's time to hold our hands. Don't touch the door. Watch your fingers.
Let's go up to the next floor now. It was so fun today! Yes, I got a ball too!
Then let's go home now. Ding, door is open. Let's take the elevator. Now it's time to hold our hands. Watch your step. Walk in slowly. Let's go down to the next floor now. Ding, door is open. Let's take the elevator.
Now it's time to hold our hands.
Please don't jump and stand straight, please.
Let's go down to the next floor now. It's so fun!
Oh, Timmy, don't play with your ball in here. You might hit other people.
Ding, door is open. Get off the elevator. Now it's time to hold our hands.
Don't touch the door. Watch your fingers. Let's go back home all together.
Mimi, Timmy, did you have fun today?
We did! We took the glass elevator and played with a ball too. Mom, let's come here again.
Okay.
Yeah! Yeah! Kiki, how about playing together in the playground?
Okay, what are we going to play?
How about playing tag?
Good. Then I'm going to catch you first.
Many friends in my preschool. It's so fun to play with them. Remember this, please be safe. Watch out for strangers all the time.
Who are you?
Little kid, come with me. Have some lollipops.
No! Our teacher told us not to take anything from strangers. Miss Mimi, there's a strange man here.
When a stranger tries to hug you, don't be afraid and shout out no. When you're in danger, call for help. Try to take care of yourself. Many people will help us out. The teacher and the security guard. Ask for help at any time. Remember to protect yourself, please.
Good job, everybody. When you see a stranger around here, tell your teacher immediately.
Okay, we'll protect ourselves.
Kids, please remember to protect yourselves too. It smells great. It does? Oh, it's from the kitchen.
Watch out! It's really hot.
But we want to eat it now.
Sit and wait over there. I will bring it to you.
Yeah!
So hot and so tasty, corn soup for everyone. Be careful of the hot soup, be careful of the hot pot. Sit down now, just wait until Dad comes. Here you are, enjoy the tasty soup.
Before eating the soup, cool it down first. Cool it down.
Now, let's take a bath.
Loo la la loo la la loo la loo la loo. Let's play splashing, splashing. Let's play splashing, splashing. Blue is cold, cold side of the tap. Red is hot, so be careful not to touch. Loo la la loo la la loo la loo la loo. It's hot water, danger, danger. It's hot water, danger, danger. I got hurt, it's turning red. I'm so scared of hot water now.
It hurts, Dad. Timmy's got scalded.
You need cold water to cool it down. Turn on the cold water.
Put your hands under it with cold water. Wash it in cold water. Soak it. Now find a clean towel to cover the scald. Don't cry. Be careful next time, please.
Mimi, Timmy, hot water's dangerous. Don't turn it on.
It's hot and dangerous. I won't do it again.
Hot, it's so hot, it's so hot. Be careful of the hot soup. Be careful of the hot water, please.
The tomato soup is hot. Be careful, please. Okay.
Mimi, Timmy, you're great.
Elevator! It's here! What's this?
Oh, it's broken.
We have to go up to the 6th floor. What should we do? It's so high.
I don't want to walk up the stairs.
Don't worry, Mimi. There are stairs that move by themselves. Do you know what it is?
Stairs that move by themselves? I know! It's an escalator!
You are right.
Escalator!
Let's take the escalator.
Okay! A long escalator in the shopping mall.
So busy going up and down.
Holding Mom's hand tight and stand in a line. Please keep standing in the safety line.
Please don't run.
Please don't jump. Be careful when you take the escalator. A long escalator.
In the shopping mall. So busy going up and down.
Holding Mom's hand tight and stand in a line. Please keep standing in the safety line. Please don't run. Please don't jump. Be careful when you take the escalator.
Mom, I want some toys.
A long escalator in the shopping mall.
So busy going up and down.
Holding Mom's hand tight and stand in a line. Please keep standing in the safety line.
Please don't run. Please So fun! So fun!
Mimi, come and take a look.
What's this? Huh? Wow, it's a bike!
Try it out.
I want to ride it around the park.
Ooh, okay. But you should wear your protective gear.
Okay. Step 1, put my helmet on. Step 2, knee and elbow pads. I'm not scared of falling down. I'm a brave bike rider. I'm not scared of getting hurt. I'm a brave bike rider.
On the sidewalk, walk your bike. 1, 2, 1, 2, let's go now. On the sidewalk, walk your bike. 1, 2, 1, 2, let's go now. At the crosswalk, walk your bike. 1, 2, 1, 2, let's go now. At the crosswalk, walk your bike. 1, 2, 1, 2, let's go now.
Let's run a race. Go!
Wait! Ouch! Let's ride slowly. 1 by 1 and not too close. Up and down, go, go, go. 1 by 1 and not too close. Go straight and turn, go, go, go.
Whiskers, put on your helmet. Let's have fun together.
Okay. 1 by 1 and not too close. Up and down, go, go, go. 1 by 1 and not too close. Go straight and turn, go, go, go. I'm not scared of falling down. I'm a brave bike rider. I'm a brave bike rider. Yeah, I can ride a bike now. Let's do it again tomorrow.
Don't forget to wear your helmet.
And your knee and elbow pads. Okay. Yeah!